What's up, fellow NEWTUBERs? It's Joe from NEWTUBER. I do reviews on new YouTube video channels, and I offer outside perspective and review things such as your logo, channel art, description, video content, music, and thumbnails. Also, I don't care if you're black, white, red, 90 years old, 5 years old, a gamer, or a fashion model. You put in the request, you get reviewed. If you'd like for me to review your channel, just comment down below and I will get to it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see how other YouTubers are doing and gain some ideas as well. Let's get started. Alright, so my next contestant is from Reddit, and he put in a request in my thread to review his channel. So his name is Yung Croagunk, which I'm guessing is Pokemon. Nailed it. Alright, so Croagunk, your logo needs some work. Your words are, I don't see your words, that's important. So you need to crop it or fix the size, whatever. I visited your channel already, yes, because I had a glitch in the video when I was making your video before. All right, so let's visit your channel and see what you're all about. Okay, your banner needs some work. I mean, your Pokemon is cut, your Pokeball as well is cut off. You're gonna need to resize this, make these letters smaller so stuff fits better. Your Patreon and your Twitter logo, they need to be bigger because you can barely see them. So fix that. Otherwise, your banner art is really nice and it fits the theme of your channel with all this cartoonist stuff. Let's go to your about before we check out videos. What's up? I'm Yung Croagunk. You can call me Miggy, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, from gameplay, reviews, speculations, trailers. Okay. Slap in there a business email. What else? Okay, no, it's good. It's good as it is. Just slap in that. Maybe you want to put a schedule of your video releases, because like I like to follow pranksters, and I know that some of them release videos at a specific time and date, like every Sunday. So in the day on Sunday, I'll look forward to their videos. So I'll visit their channel even if I see that they didn't post a video yet. So let's move on to your playlists. Okay, you have one playlist, and I don't know how many videos you have, but you might need more playlists. You only have like Pokemon Emerald playlist. And okay, yeah, you don't have a lot of videos there, so I don't blame you for having not a lot of playlists. And you've only been in YouTube for 1 month and you have this many subscribers. That's great progress, and you're doing great actually. So, and this is a niche that is very popular, and you'll attract a lot of audience because Pokemon never dies. It's been around forever. So great job on your thumbnails, and you got a lot of memes in them. They're funny as heck, and yeah, just with those you'll attract a lot of people. So great work with that. No complaints. Very colorful. I can see everything. Nothing is. No, it's great. It's great. Love all that stuff. Let's check out one of your videos. Let's click this one. I've already started watching it in my last video, and I had some commentary on it. So let's see.
What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of the Pokemon Randomizer Nuzlocke. And you're back with me, Yung Croagunk, and today we're gonna go ahead and run down to Mount Pyre. So before we get over to Mount Pyre, let's go ahead and grab this TM over here.
Okay, I'm gonna stop you right there. You said before we get to Mount Pyre, let's go and grab this TM over here. I thought you honestly were gonna say before we get to my Mount Pyre, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the thumbs up button. You want to put that always in all of your videos at the beginning, because if you put it at the end, which I'm assuming you did, a lot of people don't get to the end of videos. Like a really high percentage don't make it to the end in the last minute. So you're gonna miss out on a lot of subscribers like that. So put it in the beginning. Make a pop-up of a subscribe button pop-up. Get a watermark in your videos. You're missing watermarks. If I should be able to click right here to subscribe to your channel really quick. You can say something in the beginning like, click that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. You can support me, whatever. So get that done. It's really important. Other than that, your voice is really enthusiastic, and you seem passionate about what you do, so I'm very impressed. Let's check out. Okay, you're putting a little description for your video. You're replying to people's comments. You're engaging your audience with questions of the day. Well done. Keep doing that in all your videos. Let's go back. Other than that, you're doing a really exceptional job for a 1 month YouTuber. It's crazy. You got views on all your videos across. Like, it's not like a crazy amount, but still, you're getting views. You're getting out there for 1 month. So, great job. I give your channel I'd say 8.3 on 10. Given that you need to fix your banner or your logo, your banner, the two most important things. Your Patreon, your Twitters are too small, and your call to action, subscribe. Tell people to subscribe. So guys, that's it. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel, and Yung Croagunk, you can write down below to tell me your opinion of my review. Anyone else can write down below to tell me what your channel is so I can go and review it. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.